Hi folks, Tim here from High-End Cheap Tech. Today, as you saw for the first, 5, 6, 7 seconds, we got a mystery device on the way. A mystery smartphone. And we're going to check it out. Do an unboxing. We're not doing that today. It's not here yet, but it'll be here very shortly. So just giving everyone a heads up. I'd like to hear what your best guess is as to what the device is, some of the specs you think it might have, and your overall opinion of the looks of the device. We're going to see how this works in a couple of days. So we'll take one more look at it. It's going to slide on in here, I guess, we hope. And after that, I'll just put a couple of links to some recent videos for you to watch. That's all I got for now. This may be the absolute shortest video I've ever put on this channel. Enjoy it. Thanks.